Hi, in this video I'm going to quickly share with you the main takeaways and insights that I had when I visited EXA 2025. Recently here in Perth we had a huge conference around the entire oil and gas industry, the energy industry, discussing solutions, exchanging contacts and changing ideas as well. So I went with Sam. He had his project management, project engineering hat on. I had my change management hat on. And we went there with one particular question in mind. We wanted to understand what the industry thinks about decommissioning. What is holding up decommissioning practices to be more circular, and how can we shift mindsets towards a more sustainable decommissioning practice as well? So I'm going to share some of the conversations or insights that I had here with you in this particular video, and I hope you find them beneficial for your own project management or change management practice, and you can then maybe have more conversations as a result as well around the topic. First of all, I had some really good conversations with some of our clients, with our partners, and also with the Centre of Decommissioning Australia around the appetite for decommissioning end-of-life assets in a way that it can not just be removed but repurposed for an environmentally positive different cause. So for example, we could reuse some of the structures to create artificial reefs and maybe even make sure that there's less erosion on the beaches as well. Now, we know that some of the operators are already doing that, but the main consensus is that the approvals for that take way too long, sometimes even a decade. And this slows down the progress because it just makes it unrewarding in a way to go for that. Okay, there is obviously a big backlog in Australia around deteriorating assets that come to an end of life that may actually have not been maintained so well lately because we knew or we were waiting for in different ways as well. And so in the next 1 to 5 years, we should see more and more projects with the potential to include a different approach of a more sustainable approach of decommissioning as well. And the way that we approach these projects will really set the tone for anything that we do now until 2050 and beyond. And what I would like to see as a change management professional is that we question the status quo more and we try and stretch ourselves a little bit more in our more technical and engineering projects as well. Too often I find when I talk to people that change management and the awareness of using change management within the projects is more so assigned to any office environment or any corporate environments and less so in the field or on site when we have a higher technical aspect to the project. But still, we do have the people that need to change their mindsets, that need to change the way that they operate in order to make the energy transition possible. Another interesting insight I found when I talked to our clients was that there seems to be a disconnect between the real world challenges that we have in the field and the conversations that we're having at the regulatory bodies. So the question that we discussed was how can we transfer some of the knowledge and how can we improve some of the, collaboration between the regulatory bodies and our field work and operations as well, so that we can find solutions that are more practical and that can be adopted and approved a little bit faster as well. So overall, I find that probably do need to be more aware that an energy transition is as much about shifting mindsets as it is about shifting solutions and sharing solutions as well. And as a practical insight from this video, what I would love for you to do is have more conversations as you plan and manage your projects around what can we do to include bigger circularity into our projects? What are some assets, pipeline structures that can be reused and repurposed into something more positive than just removing? And how can we shift rewarding fast removal and incentivizing more of a repurposing or reusing of the assets as well? So it is all about how we do it, not just what we do, in a way. So if you could have those conversations, I'd love to hear in the comments below how you went on with it and what insights you gathered. Maybe you went to the EXA as well, and I'd love to hear your experience. I hope you liked this video, a very different angle on the conference here in Perth, and I'll I'll see you in the next one. Bye.